Happy Halloween, everyone! And today's Halloween cocktail, what we're going to do to celebrate Halloween is go back to the 1980s. So this is one my parents go to in the 1980s. So it's a little bit of a take on the SnakeBite. So with SnakeBite, it's cider and lager mixed together, but with the Purple Witch, which is what we're making today, or in some other regions of UK, the Purple Nasty. So we're going back into time to make this classic drink. So it's cider and lager mixed together, 50-50, and then of course, blackcurrant. And then what makes it unique, a little bit different from the SnakeBite and black, is the Pernod to make the Purple Witch or Purple Nasty. And it was all the rage. Like I said, it's a bit of a loopy juice. That's one way of putting this drink, a loopy juice. And I will show you guys how to make this classic drink from the 1980s. So here's a spooky one for you, Purple Witch. Right, so what we're going to put in first is the lager. Where is my madness? I just put it straight in. Let's pour it like a proper barman. If you ever had a Purple Witch or Purple Nasty, do let me know in the comments below. So what we're going to do now is add the blackcurrant. And to finish it off, let's add the Pernod. There we go. And with those four ingredients, it makes the Purple Witch or Purple Nasty. And it's simple as that. So it's a fun one for the party, like that. Because it's a classic one to get started with if you want a bit of memorabilia, or if you like 1980s, or if you like 1980s music, play it along to Thriller to celebrate your Halloween. So happy Halloween, and this is the Purple Witch. You can see why it's called loopy juice, especially with the Pernod. That's the strongest tasting note that I'm getting from this. It's an unusual combination because I've made a SnakeBite before, and the SnakeBite in black with the blackcurrant, and it's a little bit of an unusual one, but it will get you very, very drunk quick if you drink enough of these. But as always, drink responsibly as well, because I do enjoy your Halloween. But that, I could certainly drink a few of those. I'll be honest, I could drink a few. But I'll always prefer cider over lager any day of the week. It's because I'm not a massive lager fan. But I could certainly drink that, especially with a little bit of the Pernod and the blackcurrant as well. But that, my friends, is the Purple Witch or the Purple Nasty, depending where you are from in the UK. So that is the classic, going back in time to the 1980s. So I'll bring back many memories for my parents as well, as I'm sure. But this, guys, has been the Purple Witch. Do enjoy your Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. But if you are new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more Halloween cocktails like this, as I will be doing one more Halloween cocktail before the big day itself. Happy Halloween, everyone. Cheers.